up, we got the ANOVA single factor table from the Excel spreadsheet. We simply, first thing we do is get the degrees of freedom. There's 3 groups, simply 3 minus 1, that will give us a 2. And then, in order to get the degrees of freedom within the groups, we simply just, since there's 3 groups, we need to subtract it by 3, so 4 times 3 is 12, minus 3 is 9. We get that. To get the total degrees of freedom, simply just add them. We get 11. And here's where it starts to get a bit tricky. We get, simply, just remember to get degrees of freedom, it's minus 1, so just remember right here there's 3 on each. In order to get the sum of squares within the groups, we multiply 3 times the variance, and then we add that, the result of that, plus 3 times this variance, 3 times this variance, we add them all up, that'll give us around 8.75. Although now to get the MS, it's simple, we simply just 8.75 divided by 9 to get the 0.97255. And then after that, since we know that our sum of squares between the groups is 49.67, do the same thing, this divided by this to get the 24. Your total sum of squares, we simply add these to get to 58.42. Now to get the F, here's where it gets a little more trickier. We divide the 49.674, whatever, we divide that by this, and whatever the result we get from there, we divide by the result we get from the 8.75 divided by 9, which we should get 25.54. Now the F critical, we simply just look at the F critical table, and that's basically it.